Okay, I wanted to help you guys with this question. This is 9.1, question number 4. It was a conceptual question. We did this concept in class, but you just needed to know how to apply this here. If a sample proportion is 0.65, so it's given that P cap is 0.65, which of the following could be 90% confidence interval or for the population proportion? So you can use sample proportion as your point estimate. And when you make a confidence interval, point estimate, whatever confidence interval is, point estimate has to come in the middle. Okay, so this P cap has to come in the middle. So this middle number, that should be 0.65. That is what we mean. So as you see, it's written select all that apply. So we can have any of the following intervals if the middle of that interval is 0.65. It's like which of the following could be. So we are not exactly saying that's the confidence interval, but we are just guessing which one is the possibility. So you only have to check which one has the middle number to be 0.65. So how do you check that? Let's check the first interval. The first interval is from 0.60 to 0.70. What will be the middle number? I think 0.65, right? But how do you check it mathematically? You can add both of these numbers and then divide it by 2. You will get the middle number. So, and we knew that it's 0.65. So clearly that has to be the answer, right? So let's try our next interval. What is the next interval? Test it. 0.55 to 0.70. How do you check that? 0.55 plus 0.70 divided by 2, you get 0.625. So not the second option. Let's try the third option. Clear, let me write it like this, 0.63 and 0.69. So I'm going to add these two numbers and divide them by 2 and check if the middle number is 0.65. No. So the third one is also not the correct possible confidence interval. Let's try fourth one. So we need to try 0.62 plus 0.68 divided by 2. We get 0.65. So this one works. Let's try the last one. Now, you see the last one is from 0.70 to 0.80. It doesn't even contain 0.65. So we don't even need to check it. It's clearly not the correct answer. So let's do the final check. That should be correct, right? So now here it's given in the more theoretical way, but basic logic here is that the point estimate should be in the middle of your confidence interval, then only that is the possible. So again, they were just saying this is a possible confidence interval. So you just need to check if the sample proportion, that is your point estimate, also lying in the middle of your interval. Okay.